I got asked this question: how can I use LinkedIn to help me in my job search? And the way it was asked to me made me think this could be a new video that could be helpful to a lot of people. How to use LinkedIn in your job search. So first of all, there's a rule of thumb that I think we are being misled. Lots of people are misled, and that is to be looking for any kind of a job. And that really makes it harder for you to find what you are looking for, because you're looking under every rock and for every opportunity, and you're not really focused on something and working on it very deliberately. Furthermore, the more focused you are on what kind of job you want, what kind of role, what kind of industry, what kind of company type, etc., the easier it is for others to help you, because you're giving them a recipe to help you be successful. So be as clear as you can about what job you are looking for so that you can be more successful. By the way, just because you're looking for this job doesn't mean you're not going to have conversations about other ideas. But know what it is you want first and foremost. Secondly, the more focused you are on what it is that you want to do, the easier it becomes for you to build your LinkedIn profile, because you're going to use the right words, you're going to tell the right story, and you're going to be speaking to the right people. Again, focus on what you're after. And then you can build your headline, your about section, your current existing position, your previous positions, your skills, publications, all of those different areas of your LinkedIn profile. You can make sure that they are telling the story of what you have done, you can do, where you've been successful, what accomplishments you have, and furthermore, what you enjoy doing. These are important ideas when you're building your LinkedIn profile. To, again, make sure it is focused on the job, the role that's really important to you. Now, as you're building your LinkedIn profile, what you're going to also need to keep doing is growing your LinkedIn network. Where you want to start is with people you already know. You need to look at the people you know today who are relevant to you in lots of different ways, and you need to connect with them. Your friends, your family, your prior working buddies, the people you meet in, that you've met in associations and at conferences and organizations you're a part of, etc., etc. Even people you meet in your churches and your civic groups, etc., etc. Connect with people you know today, because what you don't know is who they know, whom you should meet. Now, while you're doing that, you can also be connecting with people that you are meeting along the way. People that you meet at networking events, people that you meet while you're having interviews, people that you meet while you are discussing opportunities in organizations. You want to be connecting with the people that you meet along the way. Now, while you're doing that, connecting with people that you know, people you meet along the way, now what you can do is you can be looking for people that you want to meet or people you want to have a conversation with. And then as your network is growing, it makes it easier for you to get introduced to these people. It might take some time, but the more you grow your LinkedIn network with people that you already have met and or know, the easier it is for you to ask for introductions to the people that you want to have a conversation with. So look for those people and look for ways to get introduced to them by the people you're connected with. Now, one more point about networking on LinkedIn. Don't just connect. Instead, connect with people that you meet along the way, connect with people you get introduced to, and then look for ways to start a conversation with people who are relevant to your journey. And so as you're getting introduced and as you're connecting, then reach out to them by phone or email or maybe via LinkedIn message and invite them to a conversation. If they accept, make the conversation all about them first and foremost until they give you permission to make it about you, and most people will. Then do not ask for a job. Instead, ask for insights and ideas and perspectives about the job they have, the company they work for, the role they're in, and so you can learn from them and get to a point where you can ask for this. Who do you know that I should meet next? It's not about asking for a job, but it's all about asking for people who are relevant, who may have ideas, who may know of have more information that can help you in this journey. Furthermore, you may connect with someone who does know about a job. So you're building your profile, you're building your network, you're getting into conversations. And then the last idea about how to use LinkedIn in your career journey is this. Be willing to start conversations every now and then related to content you share on LinkedIn, articles, videos, etc., and be willing to get into conversations that are already going on, relevant to your journey. So if you're all about being in project management, look for conversations about project management, Lean Six Sigma, etc., and join in on those conversations and participate/contribute. Do not hijack a conversation. This is how you get the LinkedIn algorithms to look at you and go, this person is relevant to this role. His LinkedIn or her LinkedIn profile is relevant to that kind of work, and how LinkedIn will elevate you in searches, and how more people will find you and maybe be interested in being in a conversation with you. It's not about asking for a job. It's about building your brand, building your network, and moving the right people into the right conversations to uncover opportunities that you don't even know exist. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope these ideas about using LinkedIn for your career journey can be beneficial for you.